Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Ninjas YouTube channel. Myself Vishesh. So in this video, we are gonna look at the top 5 libraries in Python that you must know. So guys, the first library is the NumPy. So in Python, NumPy library is used for basically fast numerical calculations. So this is a must library for machine learning, right? Second library is guys Pandas, and this is a very important library for data science field. And this is the library that you should know. Okay, now coming to the third library, that is a matplotlib. So matplotlib library is basically used for the visualization of the data, and this is very important, guys. Right? For data visualization is very important in data science field. So you must know this library also. Now coming to the fourth library, that is the beautiful soup. Basically, beautiful soup is used for web crawling and basically data scraping. So when you need data, you basically scrape the online websites, right? So for that purpose, this library is used. Now coming to the fifth library, that is the very important library, that is the sklearn library, guys. This library has the implementation of the machine learning algorithms that you may need to use while writing a code. Okay, so you may use sklearn library, you may use TensorFlows, Keras, right? So these libraries are very important if you are looking to explore machine learning or data science fields, right? So these are the 5 libraries in the Python that you should know. Thank you, guys.